Financial loss is one of the hardest experiences a person can face. It doesn't just affect your bank balance, it affects your confidence, your peace of mind, and sometimes even your self-worth. Whether you lost money due to a bad investment, business failure, job loss, or an unexpected expense, the pain feels real and overwhelming. But here's the truth most people don't tell you: financial loss is not the end, it's a turning point. And how you respond to it matters more than the loss itself. The first step in dealing with financial loss is acceptance. Many people stay stuck because they deny what happened or keep replaying the past in their head. Accepting the loss doesn't mean you approve of it, it means you stop fighting reality. Once you accept it, your mind becomes calmer, and clarity begins to return. After acceptance, the most important thing is not to panic. Panic leads to emotional decisions, and emotional decisions often cause even bigger losses. Many people try to recover their money quickly by taking risky shortcuts, investing blindly, or trusting get-rich-fast schemes. This almost always makes the situation worse. Remember, slow recovery is better than fast destruction. Next, pause and assess your situation honestly. Look at how much you lost, what resources you still have, and what expenses are absolutely necessary. This is the time to protect your cash flow. Reduce unnecessary spending, cancel non-essential subscriptions, and focus only on survival and stability. This is not failure, this is strategy. One powerful mindset shift is to separate your self-worth from money. Losing money does not mean you are useless, stupid, or unsuccessful. Many successful people, entrepreneurs, investors, even billionaires, faced massive financial losses before rebuilding stronger than ever. Money can be lost and earned again. Experience and lessons stay forever. Create a simple budget, even if your income is low. Track where every dollar goes. Discipline during tough times builds habits that protect you for life. Focus on rebuilding stability first, not luxury or status. If possible, increase your skills instead of chasing quick profits. Skills are assets that no one can take away from you. They create long-term income and security. Financial loss often pushes people to upgrade themselves, and that's where real growth begins. It's also important to take care of your mental health. Financial stress can cause anxiety, insomnia, and poor decision-making. Talk to someone you trust. Don't carry the burden alone. A calm mind makes smarter money decisions. Another key lesson is avoid comparison. Social media can make it look like everyone else is winning while you're falling behind. That's an illusion. Everyone's financial journey is different. Focus on your own recovery, at your own pace. Finally, understand this: financial loss is temporary, but the lessons can be permanent. If you learn from this experience, you don't just recover, you become wiser, more disciplined, and more resilient. This loss is not the end of your story. It's a chapter that can shape a stronger future. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and most importantly, believe that recovery is possible.